Thanks for joining me. Today we're gonna do my favorite pork tenderloin recipe. It's encrusted in a pulverized fennel seed with black peppercorn and rock salt. You're going to love it. This is gonna make you look like a freaking chef. Stay tuned. Let's get cooking. All right, you're gonna take your pork tenderloin and trim off some of the fat. Again, not all of the fat, just some. But you definitely want to get all of the silver skin. Grab your mortar and pestle and add 3 tablespoons of fennel seed, 1 tablespoon of black peppercorn, and a teaspoon of Himalayan pink salt. Then it's time to crush and grind it. Once you've reached this type of consistency to where it's like a powder, that's when you know you're ready. Now we're gonna sprinkle our herbs and black peppercorn over our tenderloin and really encrust it. I don't think you can go wrong with too much. I really don't. Don't be scared to be very generous with your marinade. It's not a marinade. Don't be scared to be very generous with your dry rub. The more, the merrier, I promise you. Once you've heated up your pan, you're going to sear all 4 sides of your pork tenderloin. The key is to not move it. Again, that's the key to searing. Do your best to get it on its 3rd side, standing up. It's not easy, I promise you. You almost have to hold your tongs there, but. All right, once you've seared all 4 sides, we're gonna transfer it to an oven-safe dish. And we're going to broil it. Let me do this first. We're gonna broil it for about 12 to 15 minutes to get it to medium. Now I understand most people like their pork done well. You can actually eat pork medium well, even medium rare. Surprise! We're gonna then deglaze my pan. I can't even tell you how much wine I put in it. We're just gonna put wine in. Once it reduces to about, I don't know, 1/4 of what I put in there, I'm gonna put some pork broth in. You have to make it homemade. I lied. I used some bouillon. It's okay. Everybody cheats. Anyways, you can use chicken broth. It's fine. It all works. Chicken broth, pork bouillon, whatever it takes. You're gonna basically deglaze the pan. We're gonna add in the broth, whether you use pork or chicken broth. Once you have the pork tenderloin in the broil, you wanna put a couple spats of butter on it and then baste it as it melts. Don't feel like you have to do this red wine reduction, you don't. I did this meal for many years without doing it. It's just something that I've added over the years, so if you'd like to serve your pork tenderloin without it. But I personally like something to dip my pork tenderloin in, so I do it. Once you've reduced the broth and the red wine, you're gonna throw in a little bit of butter, and that is where the beauty comes in. And now it's time to cut. I like to cut my pork tenderloin at an angle. I like my medallions to be pretty. And like every meal, now it's time to enjoy. Bon appetit. Amazing.